Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. I seek Allah's protection from shaitan, the rejected one. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Ar-Rahmanu 'allama al-Qur'an. The most merciful taught the Qur'an. Khalaqal insana 'allamahu al-bayan. Created man, taught him speech. Ash-shamsu wal-qamaru bihusban. The sun and the moon move by precise calculation. وَالنَّجْمُ وَالشَّجَرُ يَسْجُدَانِ. And the stars and trees prostrate. وَالسَّمَاءَ رَفَعَهَا وَوَضَعَ الْمِيزَانِ. And the skies he raised and imposed the balance. أَلَّا تَطْغَوْا فِي الْمِيزَانِ. That you should not transgress the balance. وَأَقِيمُوا الْوَزْنَ بِالْقِسْطِ وَلَا تُخْسِرُوا الْمِيزَانِ. And establish weight in justice and do not make deficient the balance. وَالْأَرْضَ وَضَعَهَا لِلْأَنَامِ. And the earth he laid out for the creatures. فِيهَا فَاكِهَةٌ وَالنَّخْلُ ذَاتُ الْأَكْمَامِ. Therein are fruits and palm trees with sheaths of dates. وَالْحَبُّ ذُو الْعَصْفِ وَالرَّيْحَانِ. And grains with husks and scented plants. فَبِأَيِّ آلَاءِ رَبِّكُمَا تُكَذِّبَانِ. So which of the favors of your Lord would you deny? Sadaqallahul Azim. Allah Almighty has spoken the truth.